So, my name is Nurul Syafikah Binti Zaizi. Today I will present about the PT Riau United Plantation. This plantation had planted coconut crops. So, let's go. Okay, we start with the background of company. Actually, PT Riau Sakti United Plantation founded in 1986 by Thai Johanna. This plantation had planted a hybrid coconut tree with the area 537,000 hectares. It is located in the Riau province of Sumatra, Indonesia, and this is the first plantation that's successful in the coconut on forest soil in the world. Besides, this plantation had factory that established in 1993. Why? Because this factory is built to increase the total processing capacity in supplying the good quality. And this coconut actually will process within 24 hours from tree to the factories. In addition, this company has more than 31,000 of the workers, and it provides a secure sale outlet for over 400,000 of the smallholder farmer and farming about 500,000 hectares. Besides, this company also purchasing solely plantation to contribute to the economy of the Indonesia by processing coconut sources from the smallholding farmers, and they provide a lot of welfare facilities like a school, clinic, recreational park, and various of the facilities. This plantation had planted a hybrid coconut of West African tall and Malayan dwarf variety, or we call as Mawa. Okay, West African tall actually started to bear about 6 to 8 years, and it can reach about 100 years. The color of this variety actually are green, brown to brownish, and the fruit is about 2.0 kg until 2.5 kg, and it can produce about 200 until 300 gram of copra and 132 gram of oil, and it's resistant to disease and pests. The hybrid of this coconut plantation actually can bear fruit about 3 to 4 years after planting, and it has a more nut yield and higher of copra production. Besides, it has produce about circa 120 nuts annually per palm, and it has a better quality of the copra and oil. It also produce resistant to environmental stress. Climate, rainfall, water, soil, temperature, and humidity is the crop requirement that's needed in this plantation. Okay, first we see climate. This coconut need 2,500 mm per annum because it is located at tropical zone. Okay, second is rainfall. This coconut need 1,300 until 2,300 mm. This coconut get the sources from the main river and the small dishes that bring the water to the coconut forest. And for the soil, it is suitable in peat soil but highly recommended in the forest soil. They recommended for the temperature for the good cultivation of coconut actually 21 Celsius until 27 Celsius, but the annual temperature is basically 25 Celsius. For the humidity, actually this coconut recommended about 80% until 85% because this is the optimum relative humidity. Besides, the windy atmosphere increase the transpiration rate that help the nutrient uptake from the soil. This plantation follow the planting distance of square shape that we can plant about 173 coconut. Okay, the distance between row to row is 8 meter, and the distance about the drain area row to row is 6.5 meter, and the distance in a row palm to palm. Next, for the fertilizer application, actually at the first planting of the coconut tree into the soil, they managed to dip about 40 cm in the hole and put a manual fertilizer. Okay, This is the schedule of the manual fertilizer and the fertilizer from the first year, second year, third year and the next year. They put FYM and NPK fertilizer in the coconut plantation. As example, for the first year, they put about 40 to 45 kg FYM fertilizer, or we call as organic fertilizer, per pump, and N fertilizer, or we call as a nitrogen fertilizer, about 50 gram per pump, and P is phosphorus. They put about 40 gram per pump, and lastly is K fertilizer, or we call as potassium. They put about 135 gram per pump. The next culture practice is pruning the plant. Okay, why they make the pruning? Because they want to make the place is beautiful and clean. Next is to avoid any accident happen when the plant suddenly fall down, so people will get harm. Okay, lastly is to give the tree aeration and get the enough sunlight. Okay. For the recommendation, as you know that this plantation involves the smallholder farming, which is from the village people. So, for my opinion, to improve the efficiency and sustainable of a good coconut production, all the smallholder farmers needs to upgrade their knowledge on modern coconut plantation to supply their globally scaled processing plant. Besides, the Pitiria Sakti plantation need to make a lot of training work to encourage them to learn a lot of knowledge and encourage them to make a lot of improvement to their farm. Besides, this company need to encourage the teenager stage, because when the teenager loves about the farming coconut, this can encourage them to be a next generation. For the conclusion, as we know that Indonesia is the largest production of the coconut. As example, we know that Kara come from the Indonesia and the famous santan in Malaysia. So, we must take care of the good quality coconut. So, as a founder of the company, we must take care of our workers, such as give a lot of welfare to them, so they will encourage to work very hard and very good condition.